Today we're going to check out some artwork on a sheet of metal. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have with me right here a Displate. Now, this is actually something I bought because an ad has been chasing me around on Facebook and on Google for a long time, and Displates are display plates that you can buy with different images, and I'm really excited about checking this out because it's not cheap. They are a little bit expensive, but I think that they are a metal that you can hang on the wall. You can add some magnets to your wall. You can get a variety of these things and put them out there. So I'm actually kind of curious what the image quality is like. Who says a small poster can't start a big collection? Well, I'm sure the people at Displate would love for you to start a very big collection. Now, you may know I love military. I will also show you here that we get some other stuff here. Displate, collect your passions. So we get some marketing material of a lot of other Displates. We also get some Displate stickers here. You get a tiger, a sloth, some sort of furry thing, but no pandas. Oh, that's a miss. And then start with this cleaning wipe. So I would just assume under the arms, maybe around the fat rolls, those types of things. But here is the Displate, and it's got a little bit of weight to it, which is kind of nice. Man, it feels like a tin. It kind of reminds me of those old school tin signs that you would see, you know, Mobile Gas, Earl Shive, those types of things. What's also interesting about this, you can get them in a variety of different sizes. We actually have a couple of magnets on the back. So these are like 3" by 3". And what we have here are little peel away backings. And this looks like 3M double-sided mounting tape to me. Now I can attach that to my wall, and what you can see here is that this metal is very magnetic. It's on there pretty good. So if I put a couple of these on the wall, stick them to something, then I can just hang this Displate up. I can orient it in different ways. I can replace it when I get tired of that image. So as you can see here, this sucker is pretty good size. It says they're made to help us express ourselves. Stand proud. We have a little hologram down there, an autograph by the guy who actually produced it. What's interesting is that they printed on metal, and then even this edge here is kind of rolled around. So it's really nice quality, but you won't have a sharp edge, so you don't have to worry about framing this, but it'll have a nice finished look to it. And you can actually see the printing kind of folds all the way around, so that's how they do that. Single sheet of metal though, but look at this side and take a look at that. Yeah, that's an F-16, baby. Fighting Falcon, or as the pilots call it, a Viper. Man, I've always really liked these. I just love the color scheme on this. It's kind of this gray, black, blue camouflage. Man, I remember watching the movie Iron Eagle. Looks like we got a little bit of a smudge up here. Might have to clean that up with the cleaning rag. But then my fat rolls are going to be neglected. Man, that looks great. I remember watching Iron Eagle. Love that movie. By the way, that was not sanctioned or made in cooperation with the U.S. Air Force. Take a look at that. It's got a little bit of a matte finish, so it's not shiny when I'm touching it. I don't really have to worry about fingerprints, but the resolution is actually quite good, man. I'm really impressed with that. And like I said, it's got some serious weight to it. I know a lot of guys like getting things printed on canvases, and then they are a little thick. You can put those on the wall. They have some presence, but something like this I think is going to be a little more durable. It's going to hold its shape. It probably hold its colors really well. And like I said, a little easier to hang up, remove, and replace and update, reorient if nothing else. I mean, you could put a little collage of all sorts of little Air Force airplanes because they had F-14s and bombers and all that other stuff. But like I said, you can get movie pictures, serene landscapes, you can get lots of pop culture things, but this is what you should expect when you get a Displate. I'm pretty impressed. I definitely think this is good value for the money, and it came pretty quickly too. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.